Hello everyone, this is Zuhra from infosharing360.com. Okay, so our interview question for today is how do you resolve employee conflict at work? So in reply to this, we can say something like if the conflict is of minor nature, for example, if there is some sort of friendly disagreement, then I will let employees work out conflicts on their own. However, if the situation escalates to a level where others are getting uncomfortable, then I would definitely step in and would speak to each employee personally with the initial objective to diffuse the situation. After that, I will listen and understand each side's point of view and will use my experience and knowledge to find a fair solution that is acceptable to both parties. Lastly, if the conflict is getting personal or disrespectful, then I will definitely involve corporate HR as well. So this is the complete answer. You can select keywords, points, or prepare answer in your own words as per your convenience. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel InfoSharing360. Thank you for watching this video.